Hey everyone, hope you remember me. So welcome back, and in this video I just wanted to share a Udemy course that is going free right now with a coupon code. So the course that I'm going to share is this one, which is Python and Flask framework complete course, and this is by Horizon Tech. And you can see it is around 5 4,000 4,500, right? So what I can do, like, you just need to apply coupon and then just this is the coupon code, right? This is like freebies global. So FREEBIES GLOBAL. So freebies global, and you can just hit apply, and soon it will be free for you. And this coupon is available for 1 day, right? So yeah, like, you see this 1 day left at this price. So just apply this coupon code as soon as possible within this 1 day, and then you'll be able to get this Python and Flask framework complete course if you're into like Python web framework and those Python programmings. So and then you can just click enroll now, and it will automatically give you like this full coupon discount, which is the same amount that is original price, and then you can do this enroll now, right? And yep, this is how the checkout will look like. I hope you can get this. Yeah, this is it, and I can start the course. And yep, hope you liked it, and if you do, please let me know. And also one more thing that I wanted to share, that I'll be like posting more this kind of like Udemy courses if I get. And surely do subscribe, and yep, bye.